My name is Nikhat Dad. I'm from Pakistan. I run Digital Rights Foundation. It's an organization which focuses on the internet users, human rights in the online spaces. And we have just 2 years ago we started a cyber harassment helplines to address the issue of online violence against women. So basically, we are addressing the violence that is related to technology, and we are using a very traditional manner to address it. So we have a hotline where people who face violence, harassment, or any kind of form of violence in the online space, they can call us. So it's not really advanced technology, but at least some sort of technology. However, we have through our social media networks, but also through our app, which is called Hamara Internet. It means our internet. So we reach out to people through this app as well, and through social media promotion about the helpline and the work that we are doing. So it's not really advanced technology, but a very traditional technology, contextualizing the kind of issues that we have in Pakistan, because people who face violence, they want to interact with humans. So the one of the SDGs is gender equality. So through this, while addressing this issue, we are basically addressing the equality on internet. So internet and ICTs, information and communication technologies for all, safe access to internet for all, and so that like people can have open, safe, and accessible internet that they can use safely and securely. I think it was wonderful, wonderful event. The kind of conversation that I witnessed about the other speakers, the innovative technologies that they are using to address SDGs, and then giving a human sort of like touch to those conversation. I think it's amazing, and I would encourage people to not only to be part of what the organization is doing, but also the conversations that are happening, to watch them online and see what they can actually do and how they can because it's so inspiring. I was here, I was talking to the organizers, and through my interview I myself was so much inspired, the way I received questions and the way things are happening here in Malaga. So I think it's like everything was so inspiring. So it's like addressing not only just technology, but also like how SDGs are being addressed through traditional manners as well. I think, I think I have already said that, but I would encourage people who cannot participate in person, they can actually participate through online. There is this hashtag. I think it's mentioned here as well, or maybe not. But I think people can participate through online. It's recorded and everything. But at the same time, I feel that the organization is small, but they are doing amazing and big work. So it's important for everyone to follow and be inspired from them what they are doing.